Where do you come down on the questions that are on investors' minds as the new year gets going?
We've gone on a really nice run here. I mean, it's been a couple good years, especially coming out of 2022. So where this leaves us, and I think where investors need to be really mindful is that, we are likely to see some pullbacks. We're likely to see short-term volatility in these markets. And I think, investors need to be really prepared for that and really need to be looking for other opportunities than what we've seen over the last couple of years. I've kind of gone on record around here saying that, lazy investors are going to get punished in 2025. And I think that's going to be the case. I think that if you're continuing to follow yesterday's trends, you're going to get punished in 2025, because I don't think that we're going to see that same type of leadership this year going forward.
Specifically, what kind of trends are you pointing to? Drifting towards the Mag 7s? Is that a big one?
Yeah, exactly. I mean, I think it's been really easy for people to pile money into NVIDIA and Apple and Microsoft. And don't get me wrong, these are fantastic companies. I'm not saying that they're going to do poorly this year. I just don't think that we're going to see the same types of gains that we've seen over the last couple of years. And it's been really easy to get large returns, especially in U.S. markets, as you pointed out, Paul, over the last couple of years. I don't think that's going to be the case this year. So if you're going to be a little bit lazy on your stock picking this year, I think that you might get caught up in a bit of a storm. And especially as volatility creeps in, I do think that we're likely to see a bigger correction in the U.S. this year, but I don't think that necessarily means we're going to have a bad year. I just think that that's going to be a healthy thing. I think that it's likely we're going to see a 10 to 15% pullback at some point, and I could see that relatively soon in these markets.